Hello, this is Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City. This is a 2024 Sylvan leftover. This is the X3 series. It's all white with the black rails. It's got a nice space at the bow here where you can walk in from the dock. It's got a removable table, recessed cup holders. This one has a changing room that pops up, in-floor storage, Bluetooth radio, depth finder, power bimini. This model has the rear lounger. This is a swing back. Got storage on the side, tow bar that's integrated, and it's got a 200 horse Mercury V6 engine. If you have any questions, please call us at the Bay City store.